Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Friends, what is hope? Let's watch two examples. Farmers cultivate the land, sow seeds, water the crops, work hard in the farm in the hope of good crop. That is hope. Every sports person work harder and harder in the hope of getting succeed. That is hope. Now let's see Emily Dickinson's thoughts of hope through the poem Hope is the Thing with Feathers. Let's listen the poem Hope is the Thing with Feathers. Hope is a thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. The sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. I have heard it in the chillest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity it asked a crumb of me. Let's learn the poem. First stanza. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the word and never stops at all. New words. Perch means sit or stay. Explanation. Poetess Emily Dickinson describes hope as a bird. Hope is not a bird that stays on the tree. The bird that lives in every human being's heart. And hope bird has feathers. Further she says, the hope bird has his own song, but it has no words. It sings a song at any condition, any atmosphere, and it never stops its singing. That singing means encouraging every human being. Second stanza. And sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. New words. Gale means bad weather. Sore means severe. Abash means make nervous. Explanation. Hope bird sings the sweetest song, gives the positive message. When a person is in the great trouble, when life is hard and things go wrong, pressure is more, that is the hope bird who gives positive message. Hope song can only be heard in toughest time. When the storm, that is difficulties, comes for testing our faith and things do not go as our wish, makes person disappointed, hope helps us to wait for the happy time. Last stanza. I have heard it in the chillest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity it asked a crumb of me. New words. Chillest land and strongest sea means difficult time in life. Extremity means worst conditions. Explanation. The poetess tells us that she had heard the song of hope in the chillest land and on the strangest sea. Here, the chillest land means not Kashmir or Simla, but difficult situations or bad time of life. Both chillest land and strangest sea describes the worst conditions in human life. Further she says, hope bird is so selfless that it never asks anything in return, not even a crumb, that is a piece of bread.